reshape landscapes, break grounds, and pave way for progress with over 2,000 newly assembled machines. All assembled in Ghana. More than 95% of passenger and freight traffic are on roads, and by the end of this year, our trunk roads, urban roads, and feeder roads just got better with these units. Over 2,000 of them are assembled here. The 4 units, vibratory roller, wheel loader, backhoe, and grader, alongside concrete mixers, will transform the nature of roads, connecting rural-urban activities, enabling the smooth flow of goods and services, and cutting down the transportation time and cost. These units arrive in semi-knockdown and complete knockdown. They are diligently assembled by skilled workers and the military to meet the highest standards of quality and creating thousands of jobs for our youth. This assembling exercise is taking place at the JA plant pool and in assembling plants across the nation. Fostering the local assembly, we are empowering our youth with valuable skills and employment opportunities. Big cities have big needs. Small towns have even bigger needs, so they will be distributed to 261 districts across Ghana to improve infrastructure, transforming our communities. Every district, every people is deserving of good roads. This machinery is not limited by the type of environment. It goes everywhere. A good road in each district makes way for more livelihood opportunities, gives access to education, boosts economic growth, improves mobility, and saves time.
I think just on group, Plant Pool, you have proved that you are capable and you can manage it. I am amazed at the numbers we have seen, and even if you look at how long it takes to assemble one, but you've done so well to have assembled over 500, I think you've done very, very well. We'll definitely meet our targets. Thank you, Plant Pool. We are proud of you. You have shown that Ghanaians can manage their own business.
This is an agenda to lift low-income families above the poverty line and reduce the cost of living. This is working for the people, with the people, towards a common goal of progress and development. Join us in this journey towards a better Ghana.